Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tools Guider. On this video we are helping you to buy the best electric sewing machine on AliExpress 2025. We made the list based on around OpenIon, Recharge, and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. Number 1. DDL8700H Electric Sewing Machine. The DDL8700H industrial sewing machine is a powerhouse for those needing a high-speed lock-stitch solution. Designed for industrial use, it delivers exceptional performance with its straight stitch capability, making it ideal for heavy fabrics and intricate projects. The machine operates quietly and efficiently, with a robust build that ensures longevity. Its adjustable speed control allows for precise stitching, catering to both beginners and experienced professionals. Overall, it's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance industrial sewing machine. Number 2. BRETHA Electric Sewing Machine. The BRETHA Electric Sewing Machine is a high-speed, fully automatic household and industrial sewing machine that delivers efficiency and precision. With its 220V power and computerized controls, it ensures smooth and consistent stitching for various fabrics. The user-friendly interface makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced sewists. Its durable build and high-speed performance enhance productivity, while the automatic functions simplify complex tasks. A great choice for those seeking a versatile, reliable, and efficient sewing machine for home or industrial use. Number 3. POOLIN EOC 990 Electric Sewing Machine. The POOLIN EOC 990 is a fantastic multifunctional mechanical sewing machine designed for beginners. It features easy-to-use controls, multiple stitch options, and a sturdy build, making it perfect for home projects like alterations, quilting, and DIY crafts. With a smooth operation and reliable performance, it's great for learning and improving sewing skills. The compact and lightweight design allows for easy storage and portability. An excellent choice for beginners looking for a versatile and budget-friendly sewing machine. Number 4. XMSJ Electric Sewing Machine. The XMSJ Electric Woven Bag Sewing Machine is a compact yet powerful tool for industrial and home packaging needs. With a 2,200 mAh lithium battery, it offers cordless convenience, making it easy to seal fabric bags, leather, and other materials efficiently. The machine is lightweight and durable, ensuring smooth operation for extended use. Its fast stitching speed enhances productivity, making it ideal for agricultural, commercial, and warehouse applications. A great choice for those seeking a portable, high-performance bag closer. Number 5. Singer Electric Sewing Machine. The Singer heavy-duty sewing machine is a fantastic choice for beginners and experienced sewists alike. With 97 stitch applications, it offers versatility for a variety of projects. The heavy-duty metal frame ensures durability, while the powerful motor handles thick fabrics with ease. It's simple to use, thanks to its intuitive design and included accessory kit. Whether you're hemming, quilting, or crafting, this machine delivers smooth stitching and reliability. A great investment for those wanting quality and ease of use.